Hi, and welcome to STEMcadia. This activity is called ramp rollers. The force of gravity is the pull from the earth that can start an object to move. Other forces can stop or slow down an object that is falling. Friction can slow an object down. Surface contacts and air can cause friction, but it is easier for us to observe, measure, and manipulate the friction between sliding surfaces. In this activity, you're going to need small objects that roll, such as a glass marble, a metal marble, a wooden marble, or even a small car. You'll also need either coins or washers, some tape, and half-pipe insulation for a ramp. First up is the toy car. After each roll, mark it with some tape. Next up is the glass marble. Mark the distance with the tape. Next up is a steel marble. Mark it with some tape. Also, a good idea would be to write the name of the object on the tape. Last but not least is the wooden marble. And tape its distance. Next, you're going to measure the distance of each object by using a tape measure or some ribbon. Next, we're going to create a graph so we can see the difference between each object's rolling distance. Type the name of the object on the top cell and its distance underneath it. And now for your bonus challenge. Take some washers or some change and tape as many as you can to the toy car to make it as fast as you can make it without falling over on the ramp. Maybe you can do better than I did.